I'm Thirumalai. I'm the computer educator in AKA BTM Layer.
I'm Shruti. I'm from EK Nice Road branch.
My name is Aparna and I teach accounts and business studies for grades 11 and 12.
I'm Susan George. I am from the AKA Nice Road campus.
Myself Chaitra, I'm a senior school physics educator.
I'm Shilpa. I'm a social science educator here in AKIA.
I'm Sneha. I'm computer science educator for the primary wing at AKIA schools.
Design thinking is also part of computer science curriculum in the unit end. But doing this course in day-wise and chunk-wise, it gave me even more insights which I can take it back to the classroom during my design thinking unit.
It's a stepwise process, and for me to go through that training first helped me build up the foundation for the course, and it definitely helped me empathize with the students and guide them better in the entire process. So I knew what would work and what would not.
You know, there were no barriers, there were no restrictions as to what a person can think or a specific way to be in, and I feel like when people are allowed to express themselves in all possible ways, it flows ideas through them. Yeah, it really helped me understand the steps first, and it was easy for me to guide the children in the right way.
So sometimes students put dry waste in the wet dustbin, wet waste in the dry dustbin. So when we started making them as an user and asking them why did you mix both dry and wet waste, they were able to understand the problem better, and from their empathy they started building empathy, and they started to understand the problem from the other point of view.
So I feel like the students were able to get into the shoes of PPMP workers, for that matter, school level workers, parents. Some of them even interviewed their grandparents, like that. And sometimes when people from outside came to give us some perspectives, it was always put in their head to be empathetic.
While we were moving to different levels, students were actually thinking that the problem was faced by them. When they were themselves put into that situation, they were able to analyze the concepts really well.
Absolutely, absolutely. This is grade 11 students that we are talking about, and they have absolutely different perspectives. They cannot even imagine where their thinking goes, and their observation skills are fantastic. They came up with some really good observations, and I was actually surprised and pleasantly surprised with the kind of experiences that they had to share.
How every small detail, small problems can actually make a huge difference. So they were able to understand and dissect into that.
I would say students actually demonstrated empathy, where they considered perspectives of different users like schools, restaurants, and citizens of Bangalore, and they tried to put themselves into their shoes. So this helped them design targeted solutions, come up with something more specific, keeping the user in mind.
We're talking about, how the Paura Karmikas are, people don't know about them. And there was people talking about how do we spread awareness about them, and coming from these points coming from students who are completely unaware about who this set is and how we are benefited because of their actions is something that I feel that is a great learning that we are putting into many of our students who are really blind towards what is happening in their neighborhood.
One child gave me a very good idea. People have no time to segregate waste, but they have time to binge watch the reels. We also spoke about the attention span, and then we come up with the idea that time management is a problem. Then why not to use their binge watching to problem solving?
One of the child came up and said, "Ma'am, we never used to think where all of these trash goes. And now every time I use even a chocolate wrapper, I now think, where does it go?"
I think empathy is one thing where I will empathize with the students more, allow them to think more, and encourage them to brainstorm more. I think brainstorming and thinking abilities and critical thinking, empathizing, these are all the skills that will definitely go back to class on an everyday basis.
PT has helped me to focus on more problem-based solutions. I am a science teacher, so I'll be increasing their thinking capability towards the experiments rather than focusing on only notebooking. I'll give them, innovative challenges, so it will help them in creative solutions.
Using the BT principles for looking at how can we make awareness campaigns
for different psychological concepts, or using the principles to build certain classroom tools or learning aids because we're catering to all student population. So coming up with these ideas would be something I would be using DT for.
Now, there are different stages of design thinking, right? To come up with the idea, to come up with the solutions, to think about it, to take everyone's perspective into, to sort of kind of work with the teams. So this all will help them in, coming up with the solutions when they are doing any hands-on activity related to any subject, or even at home also.
Watching students ideate taught me that patience goes a long way.
Anything is possible. Living in the moment, thinking out of the box. Watching them ideate taught me to let go past baggages, let go barriers, think beyond the box.
So it actually taught me group work and teamwork works really well in any setting, in all the settings.
It's not only for answers we are looking, it's more of the possibilities and solutions for sustainability we are looking for.
And an insight that we can make a difference. We can also make a difference. So that is something children have made me to learn.
Watching them ideate made me realize that ideas are not bound by age.
Watching them ideate taught me to be fearless. No fear of failure.
They're way more creative than what we have thought. They're way more intelligent than us. We just have to, channelize their energy in a very productive way.
For me, that we need to let the children, flourish on their own, and need to let the children experience things and come up with it.
That with clear instructions, guidance, I can teach the same topic to even grade 1 to grade 12 student.
Taught me that this generation is really creative and concerned about the future.